Hi everyone, welcome to our new video. Today we're going to show you how to deposit money on Standard Bank ATM. So what you have to have is the money and also the bank account. It should be a Standard Bank account. You can deposit money anytime on the ATM without going to the bank, because if you go inside they're going to charge you more money. So use the machine, you'll be charged less. I think you get charged 2 rand per 100 rands. Okay, now the machine looks like this. What you do, say deposit. Sometimes you find the machine doesn't work. Like now, it doesn't work. Gonna go to another machine. Yeah, this one works. Press on it, Standard Bank account. Say yes. Put in the Standard Bank account number there. Okay. Okay. If you feel like what you put in you don't trust it, you say correction. You press here, it will delete everything. Then you go back. Okay. After that, you press proceed here. Okay. It will ask you for your reference. You can say YouTube. If you want to, I'm gonna put 555. Then I say proceed. Ask you for phone number. You put the phone number. Then after the phone number, you say proceed. It will ask you to send email or whatever. Say no. Then it's gonna ask you to put in money. Okay. I'm gonna put in I'm gonna put in 800 to open that. Make sure your money is straight, otherwise the machine is gonna put it down. It's gonna give it back to you. Okay. I'm taking longer. It might ask me if I need more time. Okay. After putting the money right, like this, okay, it will close. If the money has nothing, it's gonna confirm the account number and the reference number and the cell phone number and the money you put in. You see, the money you put in there, it says 900. I wanted to put 800, but it gave me 900. Okay, that's it. I'm gonna say proceed. I think I put in more money. After that, it's gonna give you, see, if you want to deposit again, it's gonna give you deposit same account or deposit different account or complete. I'm gonna say complete. It's gonna give you the slip. That gave me the slip. Yeah, and the slip will come with the account number and the name of the person you're depositing to, and also the amount. Get me right? After that, make sure you don't leave any information where you are. You can turn the slip. You can turn your slip. Or yeah, make sure you do everything, because your account number, your cell phone number is gonna be on the slip. You don't just throw things away. Something which is not safe. Someone can use that for something you never know. So most machines which deposit money are machines on the where banks are. So I'm by Kilani Mall here. That's why I can see there's FNB, there's Absa here, and there's Standard Bank. Also there's Capitec here. There's Nedbank. So There's also Post Bank. Post Bank is a little bit farther. Yeah. Now I have to do is to pay my ticket for the car. After that, we're gonna conclude the video. Okay, I'm gonna put in the ticket here. I'm lucky I'm paying nothing. It's a weekend. Yes, guys. So we're done. This is we put it in there, then it's fine. So we just passing what they call net bank. We passed it. I faced the camera down because I don't want to put people in the video. A lot of people don't want to see themselves in videos where they never intended to be in. So we're done. That's it. I also made a video on how to send, how to withdraw Standard Bank e-wallet, how to withdraw Capitec e-wallet, NetBank e-wallet, FNB e-wallet. Haven't done ABSA and Time Bank. Yeah, so guys, please don't forget to subscribe and sorry, yeah, don't forget to subscribe. And I'm gonna now, let me say, yeah, we're gonna now drive and leave the mall. I don't know if we should continue with the video. You see outside of the mall and how. Okay, let me see if we can do that. Maybe we can do that. Maybe it can be beneficial to some people. Yes, let me take out this. Sorry, I'm gonna finish. But if you're in a hurry, you can go because we're done. But I wanted to make it a little bit longer for people who wants to see some things. Maybe have extra 5-10 minutes to see how Kilani looks like from Kilani to where we're going. Yeah, we managed to do that. But you know, we're gonna get out of the mall now. Switch off the radio.
Got no movement for you.
It was a weekend. I didn't pay for the parking and I didn't spend much time. Waiting for the machine to open for us. Yeah, this is Kilani Mall. So I'm gonna hit M1 here. On this place, sometimes there are some traffic cops. I don't know if they're gonna mess up our video if we meet them. There's nothing, everything is fine. There's no traffic here. This is M1 towards Pretoria, Midrand, Sandton, Centurion, but there's no traffic because it's a Saturday. Yeah, guys, don't forget to subscribe, share, and also comment. Yeah, guys, I think it's fair to conclude the video here. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.